So you're working on chainsaws and you find that little nut that's too hard to get out or whatever. Solo made some really great spanners. Jeez. I don't know if you can see that. I need my glasses. There's a 10mm. There's a 6mm. Just trying to get in on that. Let's hold it down. Made in Germany. 14. You can see the old logo there. 14. 12. Here we have another one. Come on, focus. Oh. Won't focus, but geez, why won't it focus? Yeah. Now it's got the fluoros going off. Ugh. Anyway, I can see it with my eyes. That's a 6 and a 10. There's another one. God. There we go. Finally focused. There's another solo spanner. No markings on it. Let's go back to this one. Can you see this one? Focus. Anyway, you can get plenty of these cheap thingies. $10, get you a whole set of these. They're no good. Hey, hang on to all of these if you can. Solo made the chainsaws to be able to work on. Like, look at that one. How cool. Look at this one. Also very cool. There you go. No excuse for not being able to work on your chainsaws.